Then you come up with a dance on it, grab on it, balance on it. Whoa, whoa. She's what you get me at when you are twerking, twerking, twerking. Cock it up, you not nothing to worry about, your body perfect, perfect, you're perfect. Now your ears and me, I tell you all the things that when you want, you want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Casey the Diva. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you have been around for some time, welcome back. Now today's video is going to be on how I on how I install my lace front wig. There's actually two parts to this video series. I posted how to bleach your knots on your lace frontal, and how to make and customize your wig. Now this is going to be how I adhere it to my hair, or adhere it to my head rather. Now, just a disclaimer guys, I'm not a professional. I did not go to school for this. I basically taught myself by watching YouTube videos and picking up things along the way that I've learned. But I'm not a professional, so if I'm doing something wrong or I'm not supposed to do, don't come for me. Don't. So I'm just letting you know that I'm not professional, but this is how I get it done, and it looks damn good. So well, I hope it does. I'm not gonna toot my own horn right now, but yeah, yes, I'm gonna show you. So the first thing, I have elastic band on it, so I'm just going to put it on my head first, like so. So guys, I already cut this this frontal, the lace off the frontal, because I already did this tutorial, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I had to like refilm it. So I'm gonna show you in a little box somewhere on the video, in an overlay, how I cut it off, in case you're wondering how I cut it. So I'm just going to center this on my head. So you want to make sure the lace is fitting correctly. So now is the time, if you need to adjust the frontal, cut any piece off, now is the time. So it's on. Okay, so the first thing you will need is your got to be glued spray. I have the gel, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I rather to use the spray than the gel. You can use both if that's what floats your boat, but I prefer to just use the spray. It works better for me that way. So I'm gonna use my spray. Now this is the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, and it looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna work in sections. So the next important tool that you will need is a rat tooth comb, or like Jamaicans like to say, tail comb. Yes, you're going to need a tail comb or a rat tooth comb. And I like the one with the iron, because I find that the smaller the tool you use, it prevents it from flaking when you're trying to lay it down. So that's what I've observed. I'm not sure if that's the case or if it's just I'm doing something wrong, but whenever I use a bigger rat tooth comb, it flakes, and I don't like the flaking. So yeah, so I moisturize my face and all of that. So what I like to do first, I like to use alcohol. Now it's best to use 99% alcohol or 100%. I don't even know if they have 100. Yeah, they do have 100% alcohol. 99 or 100, but I don't have that here. I only have the 70% alcohol. So I like to wipe off. I'm gonna use a cotton pad, or cotton, not cotton pad. I'm gonna use cotton with 70% alcohol to wipe my earline, to take off take off the excess moisturizer that will prevent the freezing spray from along the hair to stick to my head. So I'm just gonna wipe that off like so. So let's get shit popping. So you first want to spray the Freeze It spray in the area where you're going to pull the hair down to, and you're going to spray. I start from in the middle, and then I use my finger to wipe the excess so it doesn't run down on my face, because you don't want the extra product buildup. Now after you spray it, you're going to use the blow dryer to dry it so that area gets tacky, because when it's tacky, that's when the lace adheres to that portion and sticks to it. Then you're going to use the tail comb and slightly your fingers. Don't use your fingers too much, because using your fingers may flake it and you don't want that white substance around your hairline. And you're going to follow that step right along your hairline until it's completed.
I've been dreaming. 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 I've been dreaming.
So after I'm done wiping off the residue, I'm going to like lay that area flat, and I'm going to use my mousse, my selective Salon mousse, and I'm just going to apply that on my edges. I'm not really going to make any baby hair because I'm not always a fan of it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This day I didn't feel like doing it, but I just wanted to be a little bit flatter than usual, so I just wanted to like brush the hairs and play smoothly. Then I'm going to tie my hair down, and trust me, I left this tied down for a long time, and I moved on to my makeup, and then yeah, that's what I did. So guys, now it's done. I did my makeup off camera. I did not film this look, but it was just something simple. It's something like that I did already on my channel. I just used different eyeshadows basically and like a different lip, but it's nothing that I've never done before. And I'm just making my part. I brushed the hair and I just took out all of the pins. It was a lot of pins, like bro, I don't think I haven't done pin curls for a while. And then I just used my iron to lay the area flat. If you have the electrical hot comb that will be perfect. I didn't use it that day, but I recently used it and I loved it, and I'm going to use it in the future again with my lace wigs. I prefer it than the wand, and I just use some spray right there to like give it that hump that I like, and I just use the wand. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting the subscribe button, and also select the bell in order to be notified each and every time I post a video. If you also are not following me on social media, I'll post my handles here on the screen, somewhere on the screen. And yeah, that is all guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely have more videos coming soon, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
When hot girl step out. Don't have to ask when the hot girl step out. You see me as I step into the room. You see me.